hawak-hawak na pala nila itong 50 million na ito mula kay Jack Lam at Wally Sombero nung humarap sila sa amin, nila Senator Gatchalian at Senator Binay.
You're saying there's material concealment.
Exactly, Mr. Chairman.
Alright.
At again, hindi man nabanggit sa amin na meron palang entrapment sa harap namin. At uulitin ko, sa media ito in-announce. Sa media, doon sa press conference, parang ipinapamukha pa nila na sila yung bida at ginawa nila ito alang-alang sa kagustuhan nilang sugpuin yung korupsyon. Mr. Chairman, I'd just like to put on record that this representation expresses his agitation and indignation at Attorney Argusino's actions and failure to disclose this information at the time that he had already received the 50 million from Jack Lam and Wally Sombero. I'd like to manifest my absolute disgust at what he did, and we are contemplating and exploring our options such as considering filing contempt charges against him. And this representation believes that he is liable of perjury for having provided false statements through withholding information in the Senate. Kaya ho, Mr. Chairman, bago tayo magsimula, paalala lang sa ating mga resource persons, kung nandito sila para magtago ng impormasyon o pagtakpan yung mga kasamahan nila, hindi po tayo mag-aatubili na i-cite sila in contempt.